Start reading. What's it say?
A mouse a cookie.
If you give a mouse a cookie? Okay, what's the next page say?
A milk.
He wants a straw like we have straws? What about the next page? He wants a napkin too? You're right. He needs a trim? You're right. What else does he do?
Cut his hair.
You're right. What's he do now? What else does he do? What's that one say?
What? I want that one.
Go to the next page.
No, I won't. Okay.
What's the next one say?
I don't know.
What's that say? Look at it. What's it say?
I don't know.
You don't know what that one says?
I want another page.
You want another page? What's that one say?
I want another page.
What's that one say? You know what that one says. You have to get to the end. What's at the end? The end?
It's not a big end. More page. More page.
More pages? Well, keep going.
Daddy, a milk.
He's thirsty and wants a glass of milk. And if you give him milk, what?
More cookies with that.
You're right.
And
Yay!
more cookies with that 2 times.
All right, bye-bye.